Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are here in Walmart. Just came in to see what new seasonal items they have. They have a lot of Easter items. So we're gonna start off on this row here, guys. They have a lot of gift card holders. Look how cute these are, guys. It says gift card holders, Easter slime, and the gift card is on the inside. So they are $2.98. I see the chick, this one, and this one. These are $2.98. They have gift boxes. Just gonna let you guys see those, and these are all $1.98. They have large Easter baskets. Large Easter bags for 98 cents. They have the smaller ones. You get 2 of these for $1.98. Here's one with the little gnome and the carrots. They have some of these ones here, the little boxes, $1.48 for those. Let's see. They have some Easter gift wrap down here. Here's some more of the little baskets, the little boxes. Those are really cute. And they have these ones here. Really nice. All right, so they have a lot of these little Easter hats. This one is $5.98, really cute with the bunny ears. This one has the jelly beans. Cute. And they have the little tutus as well, and they actually light up, guys. These are $7.98. Really pretty. Here's another one here, and they have the hair clips. They have that one, and they have some bunny glasses. Look at those. And these are $1.98, and the clips are $2.98. Necklaces, you get 24 in a little egg, blue or purple, $5.98. Here's some of the little bunny ears. Here's some more. What is this right here? Oh, this is an actual, like a little necklace that you can wrap around. Oh, a headband. I guess you have to wrap it around twice. But it's $3.98. They have all of these. The light up necklaces. They have the moles. This is what it looks like. $16.98. This bunny jumpsuit here, $19.98. And just a lot of Easter baskets, guys. You're planning on making your kids the Easter baskets. They have this one here, Batman. This is Yoda. I'm gonna have to remember this guy's name here. They have the Paw Patrols, Frozen. They also have the baskets as well. These are $10.98 here. The baskets are $6.98. Frozen, Spider-Man, Paw Patrol. Some of the little cute plush. It says try me, so they make some type of little noise. So I see the brown one and the pink one, and they are $10.98. Some more of those pink boxes. The pink boxes for $4.98. They have the bunny plush and mug. These are really cute. Look at those. Inside, we're all the same. These are $6.98. Those are really cute. This one here says Peeps. And this one has a different color chicks, the Peep Chicks. $6.98 for those. They have the jumbo chalk sets here. 4-pack chalk set for $4.44. This is LOL. I see Paw Patrol. Scented bunny plush, the Peeps. $3.98 for those. And look at these here, guys. These are really cute. These are $3.98. This one says chilling with my peeps, and I can actually smell these scented Peeps here. This one is a cotton candy, so this is the one I actually smell. All of them are cotton candy, actually. So that's what I really smell. It smells really good. Here's some more here. And on this end cap here, they have a lot of the guys. Let's see, $24 for those. You guys can see those. All right, so on this side over here, all of their plush animals, their plush toys. The Easter gnomes up here, they're $5.98. And they're called Huggy Hugs gnomes. Really cute. All of their plush animals on this side over here. How cute are these here, guys? Look at these with the carrots. Those are really cute. This little guy here, you can adjust his ear up or down. He's $14.98. And look at this guy right here, this bunny on skates. Look at that. He's $21.98. It says try me. Really cute. Animated plush. Poopy cottontail. Try me. I'm not going to try it, but that's the poopy cottontail. All right, so on this side over here is mainly home decor. So let's start off with this wreath up here. Every bunny welcome. $12.98 for that. Happy Easter, $7.98. Really cute. This says Happy Easter, $5.98. Planting a seed is believing in tomorrow.
Yeah, don't do that. You're going to crush your finger. Leave it alone.
Here's some decor. Hope. I see a lot of them says hope, faith, grace. Here's some bunnies here for $4.98. A lot of spring items as well, guys. Hello Spring, $2.98. Happy Easter. This is $6.98. They have some of these Easter eggs here in different colors. I see the white and black polka dot, and I see the black and white polka dot as well. They also have this one here as well. Those are really pretty. Here's some decorative pillows. Says every bunny welcome in brown. These are $7.98. Here is a tiered tray decor. So if you're looking for an Easter tiered tray, they have one here for $12.98. I think I saw one at Target that was a little bit cheaper, but in the dollar spot. Happy Easter, $3.98. Happy Easter, $5.54. They have a lot of little decor here. This cross, it says, let's see what it says. I'm not sure what the black cross says, but the white one back here says he is risen. Those are really cute. Those are 98 cents. He is risen. It comes in this green. Happy Easter, 98. Let's see what the other one. Okay, so just two of those. The green one says he is risen, and the white one says Happy Easter. Really cute. All right, so they have some cute ribbon here. All of these are $3.98 each. Look at this one with the blue truck. Really cute. They have the carrots. You get three. You get three in a bunch. They are $2.98. They have these little cute decorative jars here. This little ceramic tops with the white lid and the green lid. These are $3.54. They have the string lights here. I see the carrots and the bunnies. These are $3.98, and it says try me. Oh, they don't light up as much. Here's some Aqua Egg Buckets. These are really pretty. Blue and orange. These are $4.54. Carrot Patch Farm Fresh, $2.98. Here's some of those larger decorative jars here with the ceramic white top. These are $6.98. $3.98 for that. And they even have a lot of these little critters here. This bunny, the bunny head, $6.98. And these ones right here are $8.98. Really cute. All right, so they have some fillers here. $2.98. Happy Easter. Follow the bunny. He has eggs. These are $2.98. They have these here. Pink, yellow, and blue. They have the crosses, says blessed. And the blue one, the yellow one says blessed, and the blue one says Happy Easter. Welcome Spring, $7.98. That sign up there. Here is some little Easter bunnies. They are $7.98. Really cute. Some decorative pillows with the carrots, $8.98. And how cute are these guys? Look at this. The blue, the pink, and the white. These are $2.98. Here's some of the light up Easter eggs, different colors, $2.48. Happy Easter, that sign is $12.98. And that wreath up there, $15.98. There's some garland there, $4.98. $4.98 for that. And here's some hanging eggs here. These are $3.98. $2.48. And here's some felt hanging decor. They have these. Here's one that says welcome with the little chick. Look at this one, guys. With the little bunny. Those are really cute. Those are $2.98. And they have all of the little different Easter bunnies here, the different color ones. These are $2.98 as well. All right, so on this back wall here, they have all different color Easter baskets, different sizes, shapes, faces, whatever you want. I see some bows over here for $2.48. They have different ones. Let's see. More baskets. Look at the cow up there. Different ones. I know back when I was coming up, they didn't have all of the different ones like this. They had just plain ones, like the wooden ones like this here. They had just those right there, or the ones that were already packaged with everything on the inside. Or they have these ones here. These are $6.98. They have the galvanized baskets, $6.98. And look at the real pretty ones here. All of these, and they range in different prices. I'm going to turn around real slowly and show you guys the bigger ones here. Look at those, guys. You can put a lot inside of those. Look at this one. He's $22. All of the larger ones are $22, and the smaller ones down here, the little bunny bottoms, these are $8.98. Really cute. All right, so this is going to be an Easter and spring home decor. They have some nice spring decor. So let's start off with these planters right here. Look at these. Plant Whisperer, I Will Survive, You Grow Girl, and let's see, those are the only three? Those are the only three that I see. They have these here, guys. Look how pretty those are. They have the succulent one, the purple one, and they have the little sunflower one. $3.98 for those. Here's some string lights. They have this one here, and they have this one here with the flowers, the purple flowers. Let me see if this actually lights up. So that's what they look like, if you guys can see those. How cute are these canisters? $5.98 ceramic canisters. These are really pretty. I like these with the wooden tops. This one, this one. That welcome sign is $16.98. Happiness blooms from within. And they have some spring garlands up here as well. Really cute. All right, so they have some table decor. It says bloom for $7.98. Hanging signs, no rain, no flowers, $5.98. Here's two of the table decors, no rain, no flowers. And these little boxes actually, do they open up? No, they just shadow boxes. They have this one. And I have enough plants, so no one ever, said no one ever. These are $4.98. The ceramic boots in green, these are $11.98. The little succulent block, slow down and soak it up. And they have those little, the succulent plants in different planters. So they have that one in the pink. And they have this one here, Smarty Plants. Really cute, guys. They have the baskets. I'm not going to pull those out. Well, let me let you guys see that this is what they look like. These are $5.98. Here is a hanging sign down here. Home is where you plant it. This is $12.98. And they have these succulent plants here. Really pretty. Crazy Plant Lady and Rooting for You. Really cute. All right, so this sign here says bloom is $16.98. That's really pretty. Welcome, $10.98. Here's some hexagon cans, metal hexagon cans, real pretty colors, $7.98. Here's one here. These are really pretty. This one is $8. This one is $7.98, and this is by Pioneer Woman. So all of these items here are by Pioneer Woman. That one up there as well, very pretty. Hand-picked bouquets, to brighten your day. Nice little floral truck here. Let's see what the price, $16.98. I'm gonna move this one over here. That's where it belongs. Here is a sign here that says Bloom, really pretty. $8.98. Joy blooms here. $6.98. Happiness blossoms here, $10.98. And this little trinket tray here, it says Hello Spring. Real pretty, $6.98. And she has some little wooden boxes down here, Flower Markets. Let's see, I'm not sure the price of these. Let's see. $15.98 for those. Those are really nice. Let's see. A little bouquet of flowers. I love the container that it's in. $16.98. Welcome Spring. This is $24.98. That's really pretty. All right, guys, so this is going to be an actual twofer because I saw a lot of clothing items that they had that are brand new, and I wanted to take you guys over there and show you guys what they have. I really need to stock up on my spring attire this year. Like I said, I've lost a lot of weight, so I'm looking for some nice spring items, some nice spring clothes, some shoes. So I'm going to take you guys on that as well. But this is pretty much it with the Easter, spring, and the Pioneer Woman collection. But thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel today. If you are new here, hello and welcome. These are really cute here. My name is Miss Queen Bee. If you would please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, comment, like, and don't forget to hit the notification, guys, to get alerts each and every time I upload. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and supporting my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. They have a lot of those little molds here. I showed you the blue one. They have the pink one here on this end cap. Those are really nice. Cupcake pans. Those are $11.97. And they have a lot of grass, guys. This is my first time ever seeing the brown grass. But they have all different colors. Some stationery sets on this end cap here. Look how pretty those are. They have the little notepad sets, the pens, the shape list pads. Be colorful. All right, guys. I was wondering what was giving me a headache over here, and it's the candles. Look at the little LED lights here. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching.